Great news. So if you've ever wanted the capability to send over a document to be signed electronically through WeSignature via text message, you're now going to be able to do just that. So in my Accord library, here is a previously generated Accord 35, just for an example, cancellation request, a form that would require an insured signature. So I'm going to select in my options to send this over to WeSignature as I normally would. So now I'm going to have the capability here to send by text message. So notice it automatically pre-fills with my insured's mobile number, and I'm going to go ahead and submit, send over to WeSignature, and sign in as I normally would. And from here, you would hit continue, just verify that the text number that carried over is correct. And from here, you can insert your fields as you normally would. So right here, signature of named insured. And we have date. So we can format this the way that we want it. And now we can fill this in as we normally would and send this over via text to get our client's signature. So we hope that you are going to find this update helpful. Please reach out if you have any questions.